so cold to me.
But your hair is.
I wasn't supposed to be in the damn video.
I left this food. Is this the one like from the video?
It's the bike.
Oh, this is a bike?
Oh, it looks like it's halfway put together. Thank the Lord.
Now all we want to, right now, what are we doing? All we gotta do is put the seat on.
It come with a key.
Yay!
You getting excited like it's yours. Something they come with a key.
Oh, cause I'm definitely riding it.
Yeah, she riding.
Definitely
You
riding
still come with a key.
Come with a key.
You know I can't ride off with a humpback.
Yes.
You're not gonna be riding all the time. Just know I'm gonna be outside, stuck on my round.
You like it?
I look good. Especially the iPad.
I know.
So I got all the electronics I need. While you trying to take my 2 phones, I can board the iPad out of it.
I take it. If I take it.
It shows it's a full battery. But it is not moving. It's full accelerator. What happened to this bike? I am not. It's just one day. I used just one day. That too not 5 miles. I'm just literally. I did accelerator. I'm literally doing with my leg.